Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we're looking at what is technical drawing. In the previous video, we looked at how to become a CAD engineer, and we highly recommend that you visit that video after you have completed watching this one. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the slideshow now. So we were looking at the introduction of technical drawing. Technical drawings are used in many industries. Drawings showing mechanical information for objects is the purpose of technical drawings. Details of objects can be shown using technical drawings to show shapes, measurements, locations, and other information. Details from a pin to the tallest building in the United States can be made with technical drawings. Technical drawings has a long history of over 4,000 years old, and these drawings were used in the building of buildings. Today, technical drawings is used in most places. And you may ask, why is this so? Well, for example, the instruction sheet to assemble a furniture which was shipped in a box to you, and you are required to assemble this furniture after you have removed it from the box. The information is normally shown on a drawing, a technical drawing, right? And also the exit signs on the emergency doorways are made using technical drawings. Technical drawings are used in many industries, as we said in the previous slide. Technical drawings are the means of communication by persons working in various industries. And you may ask, what are the different types of industries? Well, we're going to look at them. Examples of these industries that rely on technical drawing include mechanical engineering, construction, architecture, electronics or electrical engineering. Architects, engineers, and designers communicate their design thoughts of shape, form, and dimensions of products, buildings, and other engineering structures such as a bridge, and for example, the NASA Space Center that was designed and made some time ago. Technical drawing is understood all over the world. There is a widely used saying that a drawing says 1,000 words. Words are more difficult to comprehend than drawings and other graphical methods. So again, a drawing says 1,000 words. Technical drawing is precise. Technical drawings requires neatness and accuracy. Two fundamental requirements of technical drawing. Technical drawings require precise and tidy means of presenting design ideas in the form of drawings. Technical drawing improves your thought process tremendously. And why is this so? Do you want to think in 3 dimension? Technical drawing knowledge enables you to see objects being drawn in three dimensions, that is, length, width, and thickness. Technical drawing is directly related to many industrial and construction jobs. Technical drawing is a good start for vocational education. If you want to be working in mechanical engineering, construction, architecture, electronics, or electrical engineering, then a good background in technical drawing will be beneficial to you as you pursue your tertiary studies in one of the above mentioned professions that we indicated. Technical drawing is great for graphical communication. Why is this so, you may ask? Technical drawing is a necessary tool of design for the communication of ideas between professionals working on any project. And these situations or project would be in industries, between firms, between countries, in the media, that is newspapers, magazine, and television. We're now looking at technical drawing as a type of language. You can think of technical drawing as a language that can store and send information. The written word enables us to document our thoughts that we are speaking about, and this requires more effort since the act of writing a document requires you to think better about what you would like to say. After we have written a document, we can reread it. During this rereading, we often find a better way to state our thoughts or improve other information that we did not see when we wrote the document first. Hence, writing improves our thought process. So, we're continuing the subheading technical drawing as a type of language. So, technical drawing is similar to writing as we discussed in the previous slide. And the characteristics of writing was explained in the previous slide. When you draw an object, it forces you to think about what you are representing. After you have completed a drawing, we can look at the drawing another time, and it is in this process that you may recall the ideas that you forgot to include in the drawing or any improvement that is needed for the drawing. This process enables the design to be cumulative, meaning this is where the details are added until the finished design is completed. So we keep looking at the drawing until we perfect the drawing, right? By improving the design. We're still looking at technical drawing as a type of language. So technical drawing is a written language that helps you to think accurately, record your ideas so that you can recall them at a later date, present your ideas to other persons, improve your designs by adding more information to an existing drawing. Technical drawing review. We are reviewing what we have done so far. So technical drawing is a necessary aspect in the designing and manufacturing of products. In building construction, technical drawing is necessary in the design, building, and maintenance of buildings. Technical drawing review we're continuing. A sound knowledge of technical drawing will help you to pursue further studies or gain employment in the construction or manufacturing sectors. You could also become a salesperson whereby you actually sell the products which were designed and made by either the construction sector or the manufacturing sector. So, with a background in technical drawing, you will be able to explain the technicalities to the different persons that you are selling the products to. It's like a salesman selling a car and he knows, he's familiar with the mechanics of a car engine. He's better able to state the specifications and explain the equipment or car to a person who is technologically inclined. Okay, so he also has salespersons. If you're selling, for example, an aeroplane, you would have to have some technical knowledge to speak about the aeroplane, for example. All right, we're continuing with the technical drawing questions. Explain four reasons why you think a background of technical drawing will be helpful to you. And another question for you. Where are technical drawings used? So, in summary, technical drawing is a very important subject for engineering and the building construction sector. Thanks for watching the technical drawing introductory video on the channel called CAD with Mr. Yu, and we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online. In the next video, we'll be looking at the different types of engineering drawing, specifically what is an engineering drawing. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.